So hello everyone, this is me Virasan from class 9th standard studying Sankat Mochan Academy. So today I am here to explain about why plastic is dangerous for our living. Firstly, we see everywhere plastic. Plastic is waste. Plastic can be useful, but it has several waste effects as much. So if we talk about plastic, so plastic is what? Plastic is a polymer. It harms our environment. So how we can protect our environment from plastic? So let's start with coil term. Okay. So firstly we discuss about pyrolysis. So in pyrolysis, what happened? We can burn either pyrolysis means burning plastic in absence of oxygen for making fuel. Making fuel. So if we perform pyrolysis like burn plastic absence of oxygen in the absence of oxygen or air to form fuel. This is called pyrolysis. And second term is our segregation. If we talk about segregation, so segregation means like if we if we अगर हम अलग कर दें प्लास्टिक को जैसे सेवरल वेस्ट थे जैसे बायोडिग्रेडेबल प्लास्टिक तो अगर हम बात करें प्लास्टिक की तो प्लास्टिक दो टाइप से होते हैं बायोडिग्रेडेबल प्लास्टिक and non-biodegradable plastic. In biodegradable plastic means the plastic that are formed from corn starch, other sugar cane means formed naturally. And what are non-biodegradable plastic means that are formed from petroleum and fuels and chemicals. So biodegradable plastic, what is the difference between biodegradable plastic and non-biodegradable plastic? If we discuss about the point, so biodegradable plastic is made from corn starch and sugar cane, while non-biodegradable plastic is made from petroleum or we can say fuel and chemicals. So difference, the main difference, it takes it takes years or months to decompose biodegradable plastic, and non-biodegradable plastic can take hundreds of years to decompose. So we should use biodegradable plastic. And if we talk about